Okay, so now that you've taken the time to create your Craigslist account, to get them phone verified, the very last thing that you want to do is to get that account banned from Craigslist for posting in the wrong way. So now we're going to get into the posting templates, or the ad templates for your Craigslist, to show you how to post to stay under Craigslist radar. So we're going to open up your Craigslist posting folder from your starter package now, and we're going to take a look at your ad template. This one file here, this ad template, is something that I suggest you don't ever make any edits to. This is just a general template that you will have in the future in case you start changing up ads, and then you're like, oh, what was the original? Let this one be as the original here. If you want to double back up the original, right click on it, copy it, right click again, and paste it, and you can have an right here, an ad template copy. But what I want you to do is I'm going to set up 3 different ads with the 3 different best barbecue images that we hosted in the earlier video. We're going to get all 3 of the ads set up in our templates, and then in the next video I'm going to show you how to post those ads. So we're going to get all 3 ads set up now, then we're going to go to Craigslist and boom, 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 post them, post them, post them. So let's open up your ads folder, and what I'm going to do here is I'm going to change the name of this. Well, first off, this is just 5 copies of the ad template that was in the page just before this. These are 5 identical copies to that same template. So I'm going to do 3 ads just as the example here. So I'm going to change this ad to barbecue 1, this ad to barbecue 2, and this ad to barbecue 3. Okay, now let's open this template up and take a look at it. You see title, location, and then if you're not familiar with HTML, this probably just looks like a bunch of mumbo jumbo. This template is going to allow you to create multiple ads that are going to look similar to your customers when they come to your ad, or to when people see your Craigslist ad. They're going to see your, the best barbecue image. But Craigslist is going to read into all this HTML code, and it's going to think it is a completely unique ad. So first off, let's create the title of this one. This first ad I'm going to call the best barbecue in town. Location, you always want to put the location on your ad. Craigslist, if you have 4 or 5 ads posted from an account and the location box is empty, then Craigslist can flag you or ghost you simply for that. So let's just put Boston. Okay, now I'm going to go over each one of these lines. Each one of these lines here, 1, 2, 3, 4 lines, represent a different code. This first line, if you look right here where it says text above image ad, whatever you type right here is going to appear above your image ad. So let me open up Craigslist and give you an example here. Let's just click on any ad, and you see right here, this text right here. Okay. On your template, whatever you have right here in this area is going to appear on your Craigslist ad above your image. And then just below that is where your image is going to show. So let's say for this ad we want to say, call to make your order today. Okay. This line right here determines not only where your Craigslist ad looks for the image, but it also determines where the person goes when they click on your ad. So basically right here where it says insert where you want your image to link, just to show you how this works, I'm going to type in yahoo.com. So www.yahoo.com. So basically, if you had your own website and you wanted someone, when someone clicked on your ad image on your Craigslist ad, if you want them to go to your website, you just type in your website right there. If you don't want them to go anywhere, you just leave that blank and it won't link. Right here you see where it says image source. This is telling your Craigslist ad where to go find that image. Okay, so right here where between the quotation marks where we have insert your image source, that's where we're going to put in where your image is hosted. Now remember, we can go right back here into our starter package, and we had created this file, image hosted. So right here are where we copied and pasted from TinyPix the locations where our picture is. So I'm simply going to highlight this right here and hit Control-C to copy it. Go back to our template, and right here where it says Insert Image Source, I'm just going to highlight and I'm going to hit Control-V to paste our image right there. Okay, so the first line we have is the text that's going to show up on our Craigslist ad above our image. The second line determines where your prospect is going to go when they click on your ad, and where Craigslist needs to go to find the image for your ad. This third line here is where we're going to insert our keywords. So this is where you want to insert all the keywords that you want people to be able to search for to find your ad. So let's just say for this ad is going to be barbecue, ribs, smoked ribs. So basically, if someone goes to Craigslist and types in any of these words, your ad's going to pop up. And if you notice here, it says the size is 3, font size is 3. So this is going to show up on your ad in very small letters, and this HTML code says font color is light yellow. So basically your keywords here are going to be extremely small and in a color that blends in with the background, so Craigslist is going to be able to read it, but your customers won't see that, or the people looking at your ad won't see that. Okay, now the fourth line is the most important line. Okay, this is the line that is going to make Craigslist think that your ad is completely unique. And if you notice right here, it's set up the same way as this third line. The font size is 3 and the color is light yellow. So this is text that your customers or the people viewing your ad are not going to see. But Craigslist is going to read this and going to think that this is your ad. So this is how you are able to post multiple ads with the same image in multiple cities by using this Wikipedia text. And what does Wikipedia text mean? Let me show you. I'm going to open up my internet again, and I'm just going to go open up a new tab and go to wikipedia.com. Wikipedia.com. Now Wikipedia is just full of free information. Okay, so all you do is you type in a keyword right here, barbecue. If you're selling software, you type in software. If you're selling computers, you type in computers. Whatever your keyword is, and basically Wikipedia is going to bring up pages and pages and pages and pages of information on those topics. So all you're going to do is you're going to highlight one paragraph. You need 1 or 2 paragraphs and copy it. Control-C. Now let's go back to the template that we're working on and see right here where it says Insert Wikipedia Text. Right here is where we're going to hit Control-V.